This is going to be a very simple API, and it's going to be a tutorial aimed at beginners and people who want to learn the basics of API development in Golang. Golang is great for speed, and it's also really fast to develop. It was made as a kind of 21st century solution to C. So, let's start. First we have to write our main function. It's only going to be one function, this program. We have to initialize Gin, which is the framework we're gonna use to make the API. Oh, sorry. Function main router is Gin.default. This will also automatically import Gin. Then you can write router dot get /ping. This will be on the ping URL /ping func. We have to get the context from Gin. I won't be naming my context CTX. I'll be naming it C. It's what I'm used to. C.json, which makes it so that this is JSON formatted. Response 200, which means okay, because if the person is on this URL, everything is okay. Gin.h, and here we can have our content, which is going to just be message pong. And then we can run this, router.run. Always remember a comma in your JSON. And I'll run it on localhost 8080, like that. Now let me run you through the code. It's in the main package. We import Gin from GitHub. In our main function, we first initialize Gin, and then we send a GET request on the /ping URL. Sorry. We use this functioner to get the context from Gin. We format it as a JSON message and give it the response 200. And here is the content of our message. This can be whatever you want it to be. I could write something else in message, and I could also replace this pong right here, but I won't because it's good for explaining and testing this. Now I run this file, and you'll see some messages from Gin. You don't need to care about these, except for the last one, where you can see listening and serving on HTTP localhost 8080. If I now go to localhost, not 3000, but 8080, you'll see 404, page not found, because we don't have anything here. But if I go to /ping, I'll see our JSON right here, message pong. You could also go to VS Code and see, or your console, and see the different responses and the different requests that are made to this API. I can also change out this to response hello world. Go back, refresh. Sorry, not refresh, but I have to rerun the program. Refresh. Response hello world. Yeah. You can also change this to, for example, structs or information from databases.